Well, a very good evening to you wherever you are. I do hope that you can join me in appreciating this truly beautiful evening, a night that is absolutely ideal for a game of football. The scenes here really are something, a beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport round here, not the kindest, but regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre and the decibel levels are rising. We have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely perfect for a game of this nature. The crowd rises for the national anthem of Belgium. That was impressive. Match that. So, Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Well, Peter, Erling Haaland is very much the player in all of football in so many ways. His development really owes to the fact that he made all the best choices. The clubs, the coaches, everything has been meticulously planned, and an awful lot of that would be attributed to his dad's experience.
Yeah, hard to see past him. He'll be looking to put on a show, I'm certain of that. And we're underway. And it's Lukaku. Doku. Openda. Looking for the runner. Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems. Played out to the right. Interesting ball. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Now it's Haaland. De Bruyne. And it's Azar. Now it's Lukaku. Good spot, he's seen the run. Can he put it away? Goal, Belgium!
The invitation was received with such a clever run, and he had that defence in utter confusion.
Belgium make the perfect start. They are already ahead. Lukaku. De Bruyne. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
Yeah, listen, we often get critical of a forward's tackle.
Lukaku is fouled. He gets a ticking off and needs to be very careful now.
Yeah, and he has to change his ways, or this referee could soon change his status.
Threads one in. Gets his... Oh, shooting chance! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, as Tesco, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
but couldn't steer it in.
Good play all round. He was well hustled and still got a shot away.
Out to the right. That is a great ball. And the shot! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. And he's gone backward here.
Oh, that was expansive and incisive, the type of move to please any coach.
And he's had it nicked away. That's been cut out, well played. Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration.
Haaland! Oh, what a wonderful stop!
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Have their second corner now. And he's there to clear it. Belgium can counter promptly here. He's left his man. Now the finish! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Openda, he'll be irritated with that, Peter. He really did spring into life as he made his run.
Surlot. Witsel. Sends it forward. Mill. Shifted upfield. Oh, easy pickings there. Openda. Surlot. Spread out to the left.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
And they're quick to get it back. Well, that wasn't too dissimilar to the previous attempt.
Norway really are in the ascendancy here, and they know they have to.
Gets his head to it! Shapes for an overhead! Oh, just lacked a decent finish. Played out wide. Doku. Openda. Ødegaard. Openda. And here's Lukaku. Played out towards the right wing. Skims one in. Cleared without complication. Looking for options for movement. Plays it in low. He's having a go. It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Drilled in. He's had a shot. And another time. Goal! And this is getting better and better. As simple as you like, the outcome utterly inevitable.
Yeah, and I think we may have had too many defenders ball watching then because they just lost sight of the real danger.
And now he has two. Things starting to look very comfortable.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
Doku. And that has been clubbed away. Well, they put it back in a hurry. And it's Hajarrrrr. Picked out brilliantly. Chooses to go back. Witsel. Hoisted in. And he's cut it out. Still no way through. The defending here is resolute. Now who's going to be first to this? Well, he's felt that, hasn't he? And there's the end of the first half. We'll look back on the first 45 minutes.
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
And the game has already resumed here.
Well, this half might require them to produce a plan A, B and C. Levelling the score is easier said than done, but that will be the target. Get back on terms and then use that momentum to go again.
Tries a shot! Oh, that is rather wayward. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. There's a sharp little ball here. That's going to go a long way. That'll be a throw. Defending was strong and firm. Fiddles it through. Can he finish? It's in! And the second half is off to a flyer.
Belgium really were asking for trouble there by failing to cope with a formidable press.
Norway get themselves back into contention.
Scoring early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them a chance to be a bit more patient in trying to level things up.
It's a poor throw that, picked off with relative ease. He's found a way through. Big chance! Oh, the ball's run loose here. Good spot, he's seen the run. Now it's Lukaku. He's got away. It's Lukaku! Now, who's going to be first to this? And that's been great chance! And that's been levered clear. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Haaland. And he's going to be disappointed with that. Witsel.
It's pretty clear that the defence have decided that the greatest threat to them at the moment, Peter, are people trying to just run at them.
Run at them, and I suppose beyond them, Jim.
Yeah, particularly late runners into the box. That's what you don't want. They're very dangerous to any defence. Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
They're coming again and again.
Well, the question now is whether they can sustain it.
He's in plenty of space here. That That's an excellent interception. That's a good intervention. That was what he had to make in the face of danger that was growing. Now it's Haaland. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. Witsel, and it's De Bruyne. Oh, good spread. Fires, real chance! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. He can get that clear. Ødegaard wins the duel this time. Lukaku just eases him off the ball. Oh, Red, nice interception.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very annoyed.
Swept in. It's their second corner of the game. Climbs up big! No, he didn't quite meet it right. Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. Played out to the left flank. Great ball if he can get there. Has a goal! He has done it! It is a good finish. The odds were against him. Little matter.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business, that.
And there was his third, and boy, he looks the business, doesn't he just?
Well, he's been on a crusade, and his first goal seemed to just whet the appetite.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat. That pass has been well intercepted. Threads one in. A big chance! And the finish! And it's there! And surely that settles it! The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
Yeah, having the thrust to get there is one thing, having the composure to score is another.
4 in the game, he is the man. Belgium blast themselves into a 3-goal lead. Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. And it's Azar. Lukaku. No way through, so back it comes. It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Sørloth. Ødegaard. Norway couldn't do a whole lot with it there. They could do with more sharpness in their passing. Forwards and with intent. Move forward and quickly so. Ødegaard. Gently done. Sørloth. Haaland. Oh, what a ball! And that's played in low. Witsel. Now De Bruyne. Moved on forwards. Challenged just a bit on the firm side. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Hajarrrrr. Oh, that is asking for trouble. He's got the shot away! It's in! Yet another goal in an awesome performance! They are in complete charge!
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
Belgium tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
And that's that.